How to cancel a download on Microsoft Store. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel a download on the Microsoft Store. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up the Microsoft Store on your device. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to start downloading a random app just to show you how the cancellation works. Alright, now that we've got something downloading, here's method 1. Look at the app that's currently downloading. You'll see a little pause button right next to it. Go ahead and click that. That'll pause the download. Once it's paused, you'll notice an X button appears next to it. Click on that X and that cancels the download right away. Super simple, right? But let's try another method just in case that one doesn't work for you. So I'm going to restart the download again. As soon as it starts downloading, hit that pause button again. Now, look down to the bottom left corner of the Microsoft Store window. You'll see an option called Downloads. Click on that. This will take you to a page that shows all your current downloads and updates. Find the specific download you want to cancel and look for 3 little dots next to it. Click on those dots to open up a small menu. Then just hit Cancel Download, and that's it. The download will stop immediately. So yeah, those are the 2 quick and easy ways to cancel downloads in the Microsoft Store. Either hit pause and then the X, or go through the Downloads section and use the 3-dot menu. And that's pretty much it for today's video. If you've got any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.